This is the real Tom Rose, and we're dealing with a really challenging problem here. I really struggled with this one. Um, Part of the problem is that it's just super long, right? It's a really long sentence, and the whole thing is underlined practically, except for one word. That makes it challenging to find the error. In this case, we have a comparison, and there's a great signal word for comparison, so you should have caught that. It says if we compare, so you should definitely consider a comparison error here. Now, this first sentence as written, is hyper awkward. It's stylistically speaking, terrible sentence. But I can't find a grammar error with it, so I'm forced to press onward and look for grammar errors in the other choices. And you can find them. See, our observation throughout the day of calories consumed from vegetables versus the carbohydrates. So you want to compare two things that make sense. We have the calories, blah, 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 versus the carbohydrates. You want to compare calories and calories, or vegetables and carbohydrates. But this is comparing calories and carbohydrates. That's a comparison error. And number 3, this is observing the calories consumed from vegetables alongside the carbohydrates. Same issue. Same thing in the fourth answer choice. To observe throughout the day the calories consumed from vegetables versus consumption of carbohydrates, right? Again, we're comparing calories and carbohydrates. In comparison to calories consumed from carbohydrates throughout the day. Right? Calories consumed from carbohydrates throughout the day, calories consumed from vegetables. This has all kinds of challenges. The technical comparison is this: throughout the day. We're comparing calories consumed from carbohydrates to throughout the day calories consumed from vegetables. So you could call that this is a comparison error. This is actually a structural. These are really hard to spot. The other 3 of these comparison issues were logical, meaning we're comparing things with each other that don't make sense. The last one is actually a structural thing. So it looks like the comparison makes sense, but you can't compare calories consumed from carbohydrates to throughout the day calories consumed from vegetables. That's a structural problem, right? They should literally be ordered the same. Calories consumed from carbohydrates to calories consumed from vegetables would be the correct comparison. And we have that up here in A. If we compare the calories consumed from vegetables to those consumed from carbohydrates, those is a stand-in. This is a pronoun for calories. So we're comparing calories and calories. That'll be your correct answer. Really hard problem.